it's better. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, welcome to the data science world. So these points we're going to discuss today, we have around 15 points because today is the first day for everyone, guys. So this session is offline and online. All right. So I do see few learners are connected. Yeah. So dear participants, any questions, you can post your questions in the chat window. But right now, I can take care of the slides and then let me explain first, and then end of the sessions, we discuss the question and answers, right? So I think everybody understand about Naresh IT, who is Naresh IT, and how exactly the Naresh IT is ruling the world from last decades. I mean, from 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Yeah. So you guys are joined completely a data science course. This is data science. And about me, who am I? So my name is Prakash Senapati. So I'm still working in Bangalore. It's my job is permanent work from home because due to the COVID situations, it's completely hybrid models nowadays. Yeah. So I completed my master's at Chennai in 2010, right? And currently I'm also doing PhD in data science. Right now my research is reinforcement learning, robotics, and IoT. Guys, does my voice is clear? Everybody can listen to me, and you guys see the screen perfect, no issues? Yeah. So could you please give me confirmations from you as well, guys? Parish, Abdul, all clear, buddy? Good. Right, we can hear. Yes, guys, I want you to please stay for Arun Power. Please wait for a few seconds and I'll discuss with you end of the sessions about all of your questions, okay? Yeah. So I'm a PhD researcher. Also, I'm working professionals from Bangalore. I'm working for European clients. And right now I'm a country head and lead data scientist for Asia division. All right. So I worked in 2 years in France and 11 years in India. Yeah. Still I'm in Bangalore. I'm working from Bangalore. Yeah. So I do a Microsoft certified data scientist. Yeah. I'm a Microsoft certified data scientist. In my weekends, I do train to Triple IT Bangalore, which you called as Upgrad and Great Learning, and also actively participate in a lot of conferences and hiring students based on their expertise. So my key exposures areas are machine learning, neural network, artificial intelligence, NLP, Python, stats, Tableau, Django, Flask, web applications. I mean, you guys are thinking about what exactly this is all about. So today I give you completely in-depth picture of all these concepts. All right. Yeah. So this is all about my introductions. Yeah. So the main agenda, this is you guys are talk about demo, but for me, I never think it's a demo because I do see a lot of real-time projects in these demo sessions as well. Yeah. So what is meant by real-time projects? How computer visions and how object detections, how image recognitions, all those things we're going to discuss. All right. Yeah. So the first 2 points we covered, the first one is about Naresh IT, about me. Yeah. The second topic, data science, full stack data science. Okay, introductions, real-time projects. I'm going to show up some things and then we could have a discussions with you guys. Yeah, I do understand there are a lot of questions you have and I can clarify all of your questions. Yeah, let's talk about. So guys, dear students, can you hear me, everyone? I mean, are you able to see the screen? No issues at all, right? I mean, the online participants. Yes, Jitesh, Kabir, everyone. Good. Right. So there is a lot of difference between data science and full stack data science. I'm going to explain you how long the sessions would be. It could be 1 hour 15 minutes, buddy. Yeah, it would be 1 hour 15 minutes. Yeah, right. So let's understand these architectures. It does not matters where you guys come from, where you guys, which backgrounds you're from, which technology you're from. That doesn't matters at all. So it's all about understand the concepts. This is architectures. We called as data science architectures. This one. What is meant by architectures? When you construct your house, you have to demolish you make a architectures, right? Where exactly your living room, where exactly your household items. Yeah, this is called architectures, the proper planning. Tomorrow, whenever you guys join any projects, any organizations, you need to work on for architectures. Yeah. So look at this board, because if you see this, data science codes means split into two words. One is data, one is science. Understand? Data science is split into two words. Now, one is science and one is data. So I just wanted to ask one questions. Where the data generated from? Who creates the data? Anybody in the group? Anyone in the groups, guys? Who created the data? Who? We. We means how we create. Sorry, past experience. But how the data comes? That's just an object, right? Let me tell you guys. I'll give you one example. Yeah. Database IoT devices, very good, Paresh. So data generated from multiple entities. If you see this one, if you see these architectures, I clearly define data creates from customers. Did you see this? Data creates from customers and creates from internet. Agree or not agree? Agree or not agree, guys? So I mean to say that, let's say when you go for a shopping mall, yeah, you buy your items, right? You buy your household items for your family, for your kids, whatever it may be. So for your family, you buy your items. So when you went to the shopping mall, you entered all of your informations. Like after you purchase, you go to the customer care, the person is standing over there. You entered your name, you entered your address and all the informations, phone numbers. So this is all about one records. Yeah, this is all about one records created from one customers, right? Isn't it, guys? So that's the way the data creates from customers. Everybody's understand? Now that concept we called as supervised learning, structured data, labeled data. I mean, I just wanted to say up, just give me a second here. Let's close this and minimize. Yeah, just bear with me. So guys, what I'm trying to say, let's say name, I mean, what items you bought, what is the, I mean, price, they will decide it, your gender, locations, address, mobile number, right? So let's talk about you went to the DMart store, DMart store. In DMart store, you shop your customers roll number 1, 2, 3. So these are the customers, yeah? First customer's name is XYZ. XYZ. He purchased this few items and gender is male. Location is something. Address is and mobile number 9980. Something like that. This data is called structured data. Everybody's understand? Do we get recording? Yes, Pratibha, you do get recording, and we do have YouTube links for this one, right? So you get recordings maybe tomorrow, and you need to connect with support team. Yeah. So these records creates, can I say these records or not? So these records create from how many customers? Only one customers. Yeah. So these records stored in DMART database. Understand? Yes, please come in. This records is stored in which database? DMART databases, guys. Yeah. This is, I'm going to talk about architectures later part. So this is DMART database, guys. So this is one records created by this customer's number one. This is called supervised learning, structured data, or label data. So if you go back this one, just one moment. Yeah, please come in. Just one moment from current slide. Yeah. I hope you understand. Just one moment. Submission. Yes, please. Why this changing? Still the screen looks. Just one moment. It gets troubling. Give me 1 second, guys, please. Let's keep on changing the screen resolutions. Are you able to see this now? Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, okay. So just now I talk about the data creates from customers and internet. The data which creates from customers, we call that supervised learning and structured data and label data. Yeah, because if you see this Excel sheets, if you see this Excel sheet, what you found? We have one records where we get some of attributes, isn't it? These are called attributes, means column names are called attributes like name, items, gender, locations, address. This is called supervised learning. What is meant by unsupervised? The data which generates from internet. What type of data generates from internet, guys? For example, XML, unsupervised learning, like text data, speech data, image, voice recognitions. These all the data, untrained data set. No, Tejasvi, it's not untrained because all the data we need to be trained, but directly we download from internets like text data, speech, image data, all those things we called as unsupervised learning, where we don't have any label. What is meant by label? If you understand this one, we have some label part, right? We understand this is attributes belongs to name, this attributes belongs to items, and this is the attributes for mobile number, all those things. Yeah, we have some informations of label. For example, if I talk about 2 and 3, the output is 5. Now I take column names called X and Y, the output is called G. So label in the sense, what is the relationship between three variables, guys? What is the relationship between three variables? Anybody? What is the relationship? It's just a combinations, right? 2 and 3 becomes 5. Yeah, this is the label informations we have. This is supervised. What is unsupervised? The data which extracts from internet, okay, like we call it as unsupervised learning. What is machine learning? When I combine both supervised and unsupervised, this is called machine learning. Machine is learning. Machine is learning from the data. Understand? So machine is learning. What is meant by machines? My laptops, mobiles, and all IoT devices. I mean hardware requirement. This is called machines, right? So now, what is meant by science? If you talk about science, engineering, research, maths, linear algebra, and combination of everything is called science. I mean, even though we called about statistics as also, we called it science, guys. Yeah. So data science is the combination of data plus science. What is data? Data we called supervised data and unsupervised data. Supervised data generate from databases, customers. Yeah. Unsupervised data creates from internet. For example, hey Alexa, can you please play the music? That is the speech data. When you speak to the machines, machines can understand your voice, right? How exactly, what algorithms we're going to use in the backend, we're going to understand, right, guys? Now, when you scroll down, now look at this one. For text data, we have a package called NLP, natural language processing, yeah, NLP. For image data, we called as deep learning. We called as deep learning. What is deep learning? It is a combination of neural network, recurrent neural network, and convolutions neural network, right? So what exactly mean by deep learning is? Today, I want to give you one project. Yeah, let me show you multiple color detections using real time using OpenCV. Yeah, for example, while you drive a vehicle, you have a signals, right? When you see the signals, red means stop the vehicle, isn't it? Green means please go ahead with the vehicles. All those things, yeah? So today we're going to build a model and I will show you practical how your machines will recognize those objects. We're going to understand, guys. So before that, let's understand this. Let's understand this informations like coding part a little bit. I don't want to, guys, are you able to see the screen, everyone? All 113 participants online, the one who joined? Yeah. Just this is called object detections. Yeah, this is called object detections. Yes. And let me tell you, this object detections, we're going to use the package called OpenCV. So how my machines will recognize me, and if I show you some of the images in front of my laptop, it can figure out this is which color image. Now let's capture a video. Let me run this code. I will talk about this later part, guys. No need to scare with this code anyone, because this is just a demo sessions. Try to understand what kind of data science real time is all about. Yeah, you guys can see me. Hello, hi online folks. Can you see me, everyone? Yeah. So OpenCV using NumPy packages can capture my data, capture my images, and I will show you some of the objects which I have right now. Just give me some time. Just one moment. Let's stop this. Let's minimize. Stop it. Let's restart the kernel. Just give me a moment. Do you have any color images, guys? So I have, don't be laugh because this is recognized projects. Yeah. So just one. Which images is this all about? Just 1 second online, guys. Just wait, I'll show you. Yeah, got it. So now let me show up. Yeah. Can you tell me which object is this? Which color? Red color, right? What about this one? Blue, isn't it? Guys, can you hear me? Red toy. True, Tejasvi. Yeah. And what is this one? Which color? So in the red light signal, we have come, get in, please. Guys, are you able to understand? Green toy. So RGB, yeah, okay, RGB means red, green, blue. So this is advanced things I'm going to talk up, guys. Please listen to me. And this is advanced because computer visions projects have minimum package of minimum 35 lakhs to 40. And I'll show you few of my students, how much they got offers. I will show you the offer letters as well. I will show the feedback, the commitments about the project's detail. Yeah. Do not take this course as lights. That's what I just wanted to say up. Yeah. So I hope I have three objects right now in front of me, which is called RGB, red, green, blue. In the object vehicle detections, red means stop the vehicle, green means just go ahead, and all those things. Now let's do this. Let me close this part. Let's restart the kernel. Yeah. Let me tell you guys, no need to, worry for the code, because anyway, we're going to work a lot of the practical sessions in upcoming days. Yeah. So it's a red color mask. We call it red color mask. When I run this script, yeah, using OpenCV and NumPy, what are the packages? What are the tools we're going to understand? Everything's I'm going to show you one by one. Yeah. Now I think the cam is on. So if you see the video captured 0 means it's my laptop camera. Just let's minimize this part. So did you see the mask is created in the background? Did you see? Are you able to see, guys? Are you able to see this? You can turn back this side. Yeah. So this is the object. This is red color mask. So let me show you. You do see a lot of Hollywood movies, isn't it, guys? Because the background, it looks like ghost is running in the background. So when I see the red color, are you able to see everyone? Are you able to see everyone, guys? Do you see me? All the learners, online students. Yeah. Blurry. It's not blurry because how machines will recognize only red color images, whatever you keep in front of the cam. Got it? What I'm saying? So in the car, in the toy, when you see some things like, even though little bit the white spots are here, that detect as a black. So this is the way the code is designed. Now you might ask a question, sir, if I complete these sessions, if I complete, can I build the car? No, no, I'm not saying. You require a team to build any kind of applications, right? You require a team to build any kind of products. So now if I show up the green or blue, are you able to see this? Are you able to see this, guys? No, right? So who will create all these things? This is done by your packages. Data science is very easy programming language. No need to worry. You can build a lot of models like this. Let me tell you guys, when you apply this type of projects on your resume, definitely get interview calls. Okay. I will tell you. So this is what we call red color detections, right? Now let me stop this one. Yeah. Let me stop this one. Let me stop my kernel. Restart the kernel. Now, blue color mask detections. Now, let me execute this one. Everybody, because you have to come down, bring your laptops, and we can sit together and you can practice, guys. Even though you don't have laptops, might be we have labs. You just go down and you can practice over here, okay? So just, I think the cam is on right now. Just let me, this is a blue mask. Yeah. So this is blue color. Look at this. How exactly the, see, it looks like the blue color is moving, isn't it? Isn't it all, guys? Now background, it looks like a ghost is came somewhere in the background, isn't it? Yes, guys. So this is what a lot of Hollywood movies are implemented AI in across all the domains, guys. I hope you understand. This is a blue color detections. And let me stop. Guys, are you able to understand? Everyone, Karthik, Nishant, all online batches. Yeah, I will discuss with you questions one by one, because if I talk about theoretically, guys, what happened? You feel sleepy. I mean to say that real-time projects. Still, I'm working in a company. I do understand what exactly the important. From last 7 years, I'm working as a lead data scientist and country head for Asia division. I do take a lot of conferences. I know which is important and which is not important. Yes, this is called blue color detections. Now let me stop this one. Let me kill this kernel. Just one moment. Let's close. Right. Now the next topic is how do I, if I merge all the script, red plus color, let me show you another one called every color except white mask. What exactly mean by this? Anyone? Every color except white mask. Anyone, guys? What exactly I'm trying to say? Exactly. Without white, it will give you any color. Just let me run this one. Just minimize. Are you able to see this one? Are you able to see the different versionings of these images, right? So what happened if I put something blue, you can detect, the code can detect, the script can detect, right? And if you see the red, this will detect. But when I put some of the white here, let's see this. See my shirt is, just one moment. If you talk about this charger, is this detecting? Is this detections, guys? No, right? This is called, no, it's not. So that's what we're just saying. It's everything except white color. So this is all these things. So this is advanced OpenCV projects, guys, which we need to work all these projects in upcoming days, right? Now let me stop this one. Guys, everybody's clear? So before I talk about, let's come back to what is data science, what topics we're going to learn, what is the code syllabus, who are eligible to learn these codes, right? All those things I'm going to discuss with you right now. Yeah, just one moment. Let's stop this one. In the last part, in the last part, yeah, just one moment. Let me stop this kernel. Restart this kernel at all. Just one moment. Yeah, it's done. All right. So if you see this, just one. So at this moment, we understand how exactly the images, this is structured data or unstructured data. The one which we saw right now, is this structured data or unstructured data? Unstructured or structured? Unstructured, not structured, because we don't have any levels. Videos does not have any levels. Yeah, this is called unstructured data. Yes, Paresh, very good. This is unstructured data, right? Now, so deep learning is combination of artificial neural network, recurrent neural network, convolutions neural network. Yes. When I combined the NLP speech recognitions, tomorrow I'm going to show up speech recognitions project as well. When I combine speech plus video, this is called AI, artificial intelligence. So you guys are joining the course, which is called AI, ML, NLP, deep learning, and data science course, guys. Yeah. So now I hope you understand what is machine learning, what is NLP, what is deep learning. The machine learning is comes from the customer database, which is the data is structured, right? And the data which collected from internets, like what are the speech, XMLs, videos, those are called unstructured, right? So now deep learning is combination of ANN, RNN, and CNN. So now where exactly we need some platform to build these models, means we need creech to play the cricket, isn't it? So the same way we need to visualize these projects, we need this Python applications. What applications we need to go for it? Python applications. So if you notice this one, so the best programming language is Python. The best programming language is Python. Let me tell you guys, 5 years back, there was no data science jobs. There was no AI jobs. There was no ML jobs, right? But when we were small kid, everybody know about Java, C++, Oracle, isn't it? Yes or not, guys? So tomorrow when you go for an interview, if you apply for Java, C++, a guy who take interview for more than 30 years experience, agree or not agree? Guys, are you clear what I'm saying? All participants, 110, dear learners. Yeah. So let me tell you, whenever you go for an interview right now, the one who asking interview, he himself doesn't know, because data science is an ocean. Data science is an ocean. Yeah. So this is the right time to get a job and crack your jobs very soon, guys. Yeah. So why a lot of people saying in data science there are plenty of jobs are there? Why? How the jobs are created? Let me tell you. First, I hope you understand some of the visualizations projects, correct? And also how your models will figure out your face mask, all those things we can build, right? But let me check in another project, very simple one. Let me run this one. How my machines will detect my face and eye. Yeah, face and eye detections. Let me run this one. Did you see, guys? What type of data is this? What type of data is this? Guys, the codes which, when I train to Great Learnings and Triple IT Bangalore, they're paying almost 5 LPA to 6 LPA to learn this course. Okay. So I'm not talking about this course is a bright futures. If you trust yourself and you do hard work, things should be done perfectly. I will give you a lot of tasks to work and we will work together and let's show the world, yeah, definitely who we are. Very simple, I'm saying. Everybody's understand what I'm saying? Yes. So did you see, guys, how my model face recognitions, very good, Paris. Face and eye recognitions, not only face, using the packages called Cascade. Using the packages called Cascade. I'm going to talk about end of the sessions, not right now, all the details. Everybody's clear? Everybody's clear, guys? Speech recognitions and how do we build a chartboard? Tomorrow, let me give you one example tomorrow, not right now. The first thing is 5 years back. Let me minimize this one. Let me kill this task. Just 1 second. Stop the kernel. Yeah, kernel. Restart and clear all outputs. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, where do I stop? Just one. Open this one. So this is called data science. Data science. So God-given brain, God-given mouth and brain. So when someone asks, I can speak with you, right? Machine is learning from the data. Machines don't have any things to speak, but machines have to visualize, right? Machine have to visualize, right? So that's why the visualizations techniques like R programming, Tableau, Python, EDA is mostly necessary for this one, guys. So what is data science? Data science is combinations of machine learning, NLP, deep learning, and AI and science, all those things. And the final part is how to deploy the model using Flask API, Docker, cloud, databases. What is automations? How do you automations things done? Okay, all those things we're going to discuss in a practical session. This is just a demo. I just wanted to show up what is meant by machine learning, what is meant by NLP when deals with the data from customers database, that is called machine learning. Speech text, that is called NLP. Images, videos, that is called deep learning. So the data science is the combination of everything, guys. Clear? So when I talk about cricket, so the ML part is batting, the NLP part is bowling, and AI part is fielding. So this is what you can talk about an example, guys, right? So this is what we done. So now before that, I just wanted to ask you, the course name is data science or full stack data science. The duration is 3 to 4 months. But before of talking about this one, Prakash Senapati, what you taught us. Okay, so let me show you some of the articles I have. Just you need to have a clear pictures what I'm gonna taught you. Yeah. Did you see data has many branches? One is data scientist, one is data analyst, one is data engineer, one is business analyst, right? Everybody understand or not? Boys, are you looking at this one? Understand, right? What I'm saying? Data has many entities. One is data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, and business analyst. I mean, who are they? Why their requirement? What kind of technology you need to learn? You should understand. The first thing is, let me go back to the data analyst. If you are good at SQL, Python, and Tableau, or Power BI, or EDA and R, then you are eligible for data analyst role. Clear, guys? Today, I will show you what kind of job opportunity in front of you. I'll open a Google and I'll show you what kind of job opportunity for data analyst, data scientist, all those things. Clear? So these guys are eligible for data analyst. So who are eligible for data scientist now? Who are eligible for business analyst? Same things apply for if you add SQL, Python, and Tableau, Excel. They are eligible for business analyst. Clear or not? Clear or not, everyone? All participants. Are you guys listening to me? What I'm saying? Yep. Now the next topic, who are eligible for data scientist? Let me talk about the one who learned for SQL, Python, Tableau, Excel, machine learning, statistics, right? NLP, artificial intelligence, deep learning, neural network. So they are we called as data scientist, or we also called as AI engineer or ML engineer and NLP engineer. Is crystal clear or not? What is SQL? This is a technology. SQL is the technology. Tableau is Python is one of the programming language. Tableau is visualizations tool, which is Power BI tool, all those things. Is everybody's clear or not? Yeah. Now, what is data engineer? For, yeah, please. Our programming language. That is also one of the programming language. Yeah. Everybody's understand, guys, what exactly is all about. Now, who will learn these courses? Do you guys, does anybody have any questions? Yes, Arbaz, I hope you understand, right, buddy? Yeah. Now let's talk about, I will show you one course syllabus, what exactly we covered in these days, right? What exactly we need to understand. First, how exactly 3 to 4 months. Yeah, Ajat, yes, please. So what's your query? Yeah, unmute you. Yes, yes, Ajat, please.
Sir,
I cannot hear you.
yes. Hello, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So here, first, let me complete, then we come back to your discussions point. Okay. So what exactly we covered in this 4 months journey? Yeah. We'll covered Python programming language, and we covered statistics, machine learning, natural language processing, deep learning, computer visions, deep net. See, in the future we have to tune our brain. What is meant by tune our brain? I mean, whenever you're riding your vehicle, you have to keep your vehicle to servicing, right? So that your vehicle system is performance very faster, isn't it? The same way, everybody talk about machine learning, AI, NLP. What exactly the new things we're going to introduce to the new package called deep net? This is called reinforcement learning. What is meant by reinforcement learning, guys? How exactly Google map will identify, okay, where do you go for tomorrow? I mean, automatic path finding. Yeah. So this is called reinforcement learning. We're gonna used in or from this batch onwards. And GAN means generative adversarial network. Means you do have play stores, right? Every mobile have play stores, right? When you upload your face in the play stores, your face becomes too old or too young, isn't it? Anybody explode to it? So that's because of GAN, generative adversarial network. And time series. What is meant by time series? Time series, we talk about stock price predictions, gold price predictions, weather forecasting. This is called time series. data analytics. Data analytics means we should understand in the company database what kind of data we have, guys. Historical data, right? Wipro, we know Wipro from last 30 years or 40 years, isn't it? So in the 40 years, the data stored, isn't it? The data stored in the database. When we visualize those data using Python or R, that is called data analytics. Nowadays, data is gold, guys. So why I'm talking about that, we need to understand in upcoming sessions, because today is the first day. We no need to, because we cannot cover every topics in one day. Yeah, step by step we will go. Now, artificial intelligence means what? NLP, speech recognitions, chatbot implementations. 5 years back, when you call to a customer care, a lady is there, pick your call, right? Isn't it? A person is there to pick your call. But now, when you book a order from Zomato, do you speak with someone? A machine is talking to you, right? If you ask where is the biryani, so you need to talk to this guy. The machine is response to you. In the bank statements, if you go to the bank, yeah, you need to talk to the chart boards. Tomorrow we're going to build a chart board projects. How exactly? Using Python programming language, right? Now R programming language, and deploy model using Flask and HTML. Flask and HTML, how to deploy the model. What is meant by deployment? For example, if you talk about Amazon.com, when you execute type Amazon.com, when you if you wanted to buy a shoe or any kind of t-shirts, so what exactly happen? Automatic, within fraction of seconds, the output is pop up, yes or not? So the deploy something in the back end, front end and back end, two things, I'll tell you. So this is called Flask and HTML, Azure machine learning cloud. Yeah. Every Gmail has 15 GB access, isn't it? 15 GB or more than 15 GB? 15 GB. What happens if you have a movie more than 15 GB? What it's go for a Google Cloud. Is it going or not? Agree or not? So that's called Google Cloud. So how do we deploy the machine learning using Azure platform? Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, because my laptop has 8 GB RAM. Understand, guys? My laptop has 8 GB RAM, might be your 16 GB, 8 GB. But when you train 25 GB data to your 8 GB RAM, would it be work or not work? Would it be work or not work? Everyone, guys. What about others? Online team? Guys, can you hear me? Is it possible, guys? When I train my model 8 GB RAM over 25 GB data, it is not possible. It is not possible. That's why we need to talk about Hadoop, Spark, all those things. Databricks, I'll talk about that is the advanced thing, just introductions to the Databricks. Tableau. What is meant by Tableau? How to visualize that in Tableau platform? We're going to talk about this one. And SQL. SQL also, you should understand why SQL is required to become a data analysis or data science team. So from end-to-end connections, for example, what is the connections between data analysts, data analytics, and data scientist and business analytics? All of things we're going to cover up, guys, in these sessions, right? So SQL is very advanced Excel. Sometimes pivot, how do you do a pivot lookup? How to do a future predictions? All those things we're going to explain this one, guys. And capstone projects. What is meant by projects? So what type of projects I'm going to show you? Let's say bank. Does bank never die? Bank will die, guys? No, right? I mean to say that the projects, bank, finance, service, healthcare industry, insurance industry, these are the lifetime projects. So end of the sessions, I will talk about how to prepare projects for yourself. What kind of risk factor is, we have exist this risk factor, risk analysis. Yeah, bank has risk analysis. So these projects is the capstone projects, advanced computer visions projects. Means just now we saw eye detections, face detections. These all things your computer visions projects. And 101 resume preparations, mock interview sessions, project discussions, and resume building after complete the modules. Right? All those things, all these topics we're gonna cover up, guys. Anybody have any questions at this moment? And so far, before I want to go ahead and discuss with the questions and answer, so the duration of the class timing is 3 to 4 months, guys. The duration is 3 to 4 months. Every day it's 1.5 hour sessions. It's not 1 hour. Let me mention 1 hour 30 minutes. 5 days per week, Monday to Friday. Regarding fees, you need to discuss with support team. Yeah. And what prerequisite? Who can join this course? No prerequisite. Anyone can attend, and no prior coding skills required. No coding skills required. Just what exactly you required is just one moment. To learn this course, you require dedications and time. Dedications and time. I do see that in the demo batches, a lot of students come and they will see okay, things just come and then go. That's it, guys. If you give your dedications and time every day, if you give me 3 hours, I make your career, guys. Very simple. Okay, what type of computers you require to work on the data science course? You require minimum i3 configurations and 4 GB RAM. And it's better if you have above configurations, right? And I will give you resume. We will discuss with the resume, and you need to upload resume after 3 months from the sessions, and does not require any coding background. So what kind of tools we're going to learn in these sessions? NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Stats API, Scikit-learn, NLTK, Spacy, TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, Azure ML, Art Studio, Jupyter, Spider, Spark, Hadoop, Flask, Tableau. These are the tools we're going to learn in this 4 months of journey. Clear? Every Can you cover HTML and Excel these sessions? Wasim, I will cover HTML for deployment, but not for end-to-end. Yeah, because HTML it's not required. You are learning a data science course, guys, not some HTML sessions. Okay, Vasu? Yeah. Is AMD processor compatible? Yes, Parish. There is no limitations of the processors. Understand? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it is a compatible, isn't it, guys? Yeah. Right. Now let's minimize this one. So no prerequisites required, as I mentioned. Anybody can join this course. No prior coding skill required. No software background is required. Any non-technical student can also transit towards data science. Any non-technical student also transit towards data science. I mean, you have BTech has a lot of streams like CSE, ECE, Triple E, mechanical, civil, BA, BSc, BCom, CA, doctors, MBA. Even though plus two, even high school students, they can join the sessions for to gain the knowledge. To gain the knowledge. Understand? Yeah. So now course materials. So we will share you soft copy via Google Drive. So for offline batches, maybe we'll Google Drive, I will share with you and you can collect all the materials from Google Drive. I will give you daily assignment for homework, which you needs to be practiced after the sessions. All right. Interview preparations, every sessions with mock interview, the way we discussed what is meant by structured data, what is meant by unstructured data, those things we covered up here. All right. And almost I'll give you 1,000+ data science interview questions based on real-time interview preparations. Types of training, it is online and offline, guys. Both training we have available from this batch onwards, right? And recorded video, regarding recording videos, okay, maybe for recorded video the fee structure is 20,000. Without record it's 50,000. I hope you're aware of this, guys, right? So all sessions are live sessions because you're offline, guys. So no need to worry. You come with your laptop, do hard work. Any questions, just you can troubleshoot with me and you can go and practice. Very simple, right? And so this is all for today's sessions, because tomorrow we talk about what kind of algorithms I will cover today and what is the things we'll discuss. All those things we'll discuss tomorrow. Yeah. And let me get back to the question and answer sessions. Yes, please. Yes, please. What? Both are same. No, code means you have to type some of the, see, programming coding both are same. Some people are called as programming. My name is Prakash Senapati. Somebody call me Prakash, somebody call me Senapati, but both are same, right? So both are equal. There is nothing. Yeah. Thank you. Anybody have any questions, guys? One moment. Yes, Priya Ranjan. Yes, please go ahead. Sabya Sachi, Ajad.
Yes, sir. Sir. Hello, sir.
Sorry, guys, I cannot hear you. So, what is the course duration? It's 4 months, buddy. 4 months or only English? I don't understand, Washim.
Hello, sir.
I cannot hear you guys. Let me check. Please unmute, sir. Yeah, I unmute you, everyone. Priya Ranjan, unmute you. And Amol, I also unmute you.
Sir, what about the placements? Is it
For
happening
online, do
now?
we have any separate doubt sessions? Yes, Sinduri, what I can do, 1.5 hour sessions. I will take last 20 minutes for question and answer sessions. All right. So I wanted to tell you one thing, everyone, guys. Write down all of your questions, whatever to you right now. Yeah. Maybe you can discuss with your family members, your data scientist, whoever it may be. You can write down your questions today. You can ask your questions tomorrow so that you cannot forget what questions I need to ask with me. Very simple, I'm saying. Agree? Everybody's agree? So today, what do you understand so far? Do you have any questions, guys? Everyone in this offline session?
Sir, are you going to provide internship
Yeah.
program in this course?
Amol, I cannot hear you, buddy. Sabya Sachi, I cannot hear you. Maybe you can post your
Sir,
question. Yeah.
internship
Hello,
is
sir.
provided in the course or not?
Sinduri, I hope you're clear. Yeah, Paresh, just one moment. Yes, Paresh, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So just one question.
Really
Miss,
sorry, I cannot hear
I
you.
got good insight from your today's
Speaker
demonstration.
is turned off. No.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Okay, anyway, let me troubleshoot from we are able to hear them. Okay, just one moment.
Hello. Am I audible?
Okay, so do one thing. Can we discuss tomorrow, Paresh? Because it's time up. So if you don't mind, can we discuss tomorrow? Apology, buddy. Yes, yes, Washim, I do understand Hindi, Telugu, English, and Odia. Yeah, no problem. You can ask your questions. So what about the certifications? Yeah, we do provide NASCOM certifications, and Naresh IT certification is good enough because this is ISO certified. Yeah, true. Okay, guys. Anybody have any questions in the group? So apology for today. So can timings are revised? Early morning would be better. So you need to talk to support team regarding this, Paresh. Apology about this. Yeah. Yes, Wasim, you can ask, no problem. But I can answer you in English only, right? Because we are professionals, so we need to maintain like a professionals. Yeah. Yes, Amol and Sabyasachi, apology might be I cannot hear you what you speak, but tomorrow I'll fix this issue and we can troubleshoot all those things. Shiva, yes, for you as well, guys.
Sir, what about placement, sir?
Okay, Shiva. Yeah, you can post your questions,
Placements.
guys. Yeah, offline batch. Any questions, guys? For you, what do you have? So, which background are you from? Are you students or working professionals? Anyone in this group? See, Arbaz Khan placements. Yeah, see, guys, might be you done on your. He's asking about placement. Yeah, Arbaz Khan. Let me tell you, might be you guys have spent some amount of money for BTech, MCA, MBA. See, placement in the sense, yes. If I mean Naresh IT, I maybe they started because data science is the new platform. We require a little bit more time for placements, but I'll give a resume, I'll give a projects. You have to speak in front of interview, right? What is meant by placement, Arvaj? Yeah, yeah. Everything's Ankit. I told you, right? Anybody can transit towards to data science. Can I justify my 7 years gap? I was preparing UPSC students. Yeah. So, Ankit, what I'm saying, 7 years you have a career gap. I mean, you are into how to connect support team. Ayush, I think you get a email from Naresh IT. So could you please connect with them, Ayush? If not, then I'll give it to you tomorrow. I'm from BBS, so can I hope with this course? Definitely, Arbaj. So today you understand what I'm saying, Arbaj? Am I very fast and slow? I hope everybody's clear what I'm speaking. Yeah. Yes, I'm working professionals. Very good. Then it's easy task for you. Only 5 days are sessions. Yes, Vasim. True. Yeah, Ankit. So what we need to do, we need to apply some of experiences. Okay. And those experiences I need to talk with one-on-one basis. Okay, Ankit? Yeah. And same timings, correct. From 10 to 11:30. I'm 4 years software, but planning for career. Please do that. This is the right time to do. Shubham, this is the right time to do. Tomorrow, I'll show you my students got a job offer as data scientist. We don't use PyCharm. Yes, Ayush, when we used Anaconda, so the PyCharm is already inbuilt there. Okay, Ayush? The PyCharm is already inbuilt there, which we get internship program after completions. I will get back to you, Pratyush, about this one. Yeah, I will get back to you. Why you go for internship? Directly you can apply for a job. Yeah, tomorrow I'll show you what kind of openings for data science in front of you. Yeah. Yeah, because everybody changed to data science, guys. I will show you tomorrow what I'm AWS certified 6+ non-technical advice on excellent. Paresh, you are, how do you say you're non-technical? Because you're already done like AWS certified, right? So yes, it is a good options for you. Please go ahead and close your eyes and come back and join. Just follow me what I'm saying. Do hard work. I'll give some of the projects and please work on it. Yep. So guys, if you don't have any questions, you can leave for the day. Thank you. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can stay. Rest of the day for the day. Okay. Should civil engineer? Yes, yes, Ja, yes, you can go for this. No problem. Okay. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. We connect tomorrow, and you get the recordings. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye, guys. Washim, my support team will send you. Support team will send you. Okay. Yeah. One second. You can talk to the support team. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, we start with Python. Very nice. Then Python would be so easy for you then. What? I will start from first. See, Python, we will start from Python and then connect to the machine learning. Okay. Yeah. Hmm? So no problem. Yeah. See, that is different. This is different. You are not learning Python. You are learning machine learning AI, right? These things. Okay. All right. Thank you. So can I know the technology I'm going to learn? Data science technology, Varma. Yes, yes. We start from basic Python only. All right. No problem. I'll teach you, right, Varma? I'm hoping to take in full features. Please, Suhir. Yeah. Suhera, yes, please do that. No problem. I'm with you. Full stack. Both are same. I will teach you full stack data science and data science. Okay. Yes. Okay, Suhera. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Please write down all of your questions and we discuss tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Yeah. Thanks.